Good afternoon to all of you, my dear friends. Myself, Bhupinder Mandel from New Careers Academy. Today, UPSC has conducted serious English examination from 9 to 11. Today, we have got the same paper and we have already marked its answer for a ready reference. And if any further inquiry to be there, we are here to make it out in a clear way as per the context is to be concerned. Thank you very much. A, number 1A, and number 2 D, number 3 C, and number 4 D. Sorry, number 4A, number 5 B were, number 6 C, that it's not that. The problem is that number 7 for changing A. These habits, these are thousands of individuals' habits are all different. Number 9, delta, person to person. Number 10, different from, curbing. Curbing means controlling, overeating, which is. Number 11, with your spouse, which is different from how. Number 12, C, habits are driven. Number 13, books does not contain one prescription, rather than hope to deliver something else. Number 14, alpha, understanding how habits work. Number 15, with how they will change. Number 16, others are more complex, means D. Number 17, again A, change is a process, but does not mean it can't occur. 18D, 19B, described, the framework described. Number 20, in a very basic way. That's the first one, sir. The most important is the part of speech. It is being related with the structural English, the grammatical, ask or basic rules, how we can deal with the 8 part of speech, and this has become a part of our this examination for the last 2 terms. In this sentence, the word under is being asked. All the pilgrims rested for a while under a banyan tree. Here it comes as a preposition, the place, preposition of placement under the banyan tree. Number 22, 21st C, 22 D, the wonderful statue. Noun ka taur pe aa gaya, it has become a noun. Then 23rd, this is his pen. It is possessive adjective. Adjective है किसका, possessive किसका, his. Just like he, him, his. Nominative, objective and possessive one also his. 24, when people found that the jewel was in record of him, they gave it to him as a pronoun. It's 11 o'clock. It is a relative pronoun. It relates to the time also. B. Then 26, flower is very beautiful, adjective. This boy, this is also adjective. Boy is being denoted by this word, this adjective. Then 28. I hurt myself. It's a pronoun, reflexive pronoun. But here pronoun is to be taken care, otherwise you have to learn as a reflexive pronoun. The aunt fought as a transitive verb. The action has been passed on the ants to the wasp, the fight. I can hardly believe an adjective, other word believe. Then synonyms emboldened, encouraged, ingenious, homegrown, Plenoxia, a term used for lust or a greed to grab everything for oneself, normally tendency among the politicians, where they control each and everything. B कर दीजिए, greed to accumulate more and more wealth. So they try to say whatever they may be. Number 34, he tried to avoid anything, seeing something that can implicate. Implicate means involve further, that is incriminate. This can creating some problem for that person. Incriminate, not according to the law. B कर दीजिए. The statutory corporate, statutory mean legal, law, lawful. Then 36, he has been part of this dissident. Dissident mean not approving, disapproving, or a rebellious is synonymous for this word. And then comes advocacy. Advocacy means taking the side or to promote or to advertise. A. 37A. The high-handedness. A person stand for some principles in a state way also strong principles be are there. 39 tendency. Tendency mean predisposition, your liking, your leniency or your inclination. झुकाव से बोलते हैं किस तरह the tendency to treat social changes जो उनका नजरिया है. Then patronize. Patronize again mean to support. These were the synonyms, antonyms. Archaic, archaic mean old. Archaic, opposite a modern, delta. Please act as to diffuse the situation. Diffuse mean to make it on the little. Concentrate mean to close it down to give it more and more power to that also. Then word 43rd, unrest. Unrest mean where peace is not to be there, everything comes in a haphazard way, getting some sort of noisy scenes in a rough way also, calm and cool, settled one also. Tranquility, tranquility, shanti, peace. इसका आ जाएगा uproar, शोर शराबा. Then bearing. Bearing means avoiding or just like put a restriction on that also. To exclude one also. So include आ जाएगा including, inclusive also. Extempore, without any preparation. Prepared mean meditated. Ensuing, involving problem. Retrospective, the problem which are already gone, not at present. Expunged mean to mark it out, to remove. And accepted mean to make it a part of that also. C. And 51, confident. Confident mean having some influence or you are supporting for that opponent आ जाएगा इसका lacking confidence. Then ordering the sentences, I simply mark the answers in this way also because it is quite a lengthy one also. From taken from some economics also, Niti Aayog's, it goes for B, A, alpha, SRQP. If any further requirement to be there, we are ready for that explanation also. Then 52nd, going for budgetary provisions in this way also. Again, delta QPRS. Then 53rd, on the biological part also, it's RSQP, C कर दीजिए इसका. Then 54, regarding the part also A, PSRQ. Then 55th, again C, QRSP. 56 इकोसिस्टम वाटर की बात हो रही है, QRSP is the proper order alpha कर दीजिए. Politics is existing points also. The answer should be again A, RSQP. It will be time consuming questions and always be careful by this one. So regular exercises. This is the exercise. We have marked the answer A, as S and A are very close equations. So, but A is a better one as compared to the other way also. Starting with the Q also, because in the very first sentence it says regular exercise makes many of the organ system become more and more efficient. More and more efficient, it can start with the word Q, it can improve. It can further process also. In the last sentence, different activities are required at different levels as 6. So here we go for with the P. What are those levels? It can improve your strength, make your body more and more flexible, because it can be added with the word S. Exercise can increase your fitness in 3 ways. After that comes a P. Hence, option A is the most possible also. Then 59. Answer is A. Then the 61. Its answer is delta SPRQ. Then fill in the blanks. 61A, 62B, because one of the most powerful members. Whenever state came across. No need for any further, because this relating to grammatical aspect has lost author and is now broke in without any money. Then 65th says he asked whether could. I bade farewell, because it is a past sentence. Last year, second form again bid. Then 67th, alpha extant mean existing. वैदिक की बात हो रही, बहुत कम है existing, very few are. Speech is just like a formal thing also. Then comes all that glitters is not gold. Have you been in politics? Has been, because third form is used in a singular term, has been. Would have been past में था, had been कभी रहा होगा, have been plural के लिए has been आ गए. Ordering a words in a sentence, sequence of sentences to be there, simply I'm going the answers. 71B, 72A, 73. Delta 74B, 75A, SPQR, 76C, QP, SR, 77 alpha, SPRQ, 78 again alpha, and 79 delta SRQP, 80 AR. Then idiom and few phrases are there. Jitters. Jitters mean uncomfortableness, feeling anxious, having some doubts, some trepidations are to be there, some fears, get the jitters. French leave. Absent from work without permission. जिसे फर्लो भी कहा गया. You leave the seat without any taken. That is French leave in that term. Take a stand. किसी बात के ऊपर अड़ जाना. To avoid express an opinion about something in a very vociferous way. बड़े जोश खरोश से ये आ जाएगा. Cut and run. Cut and run mean हर संबंध तोड़ देना. About a difficult situation, leaving suddenly. Cut and run. Yes. To avoid. बचना सिचुएशन से और वहां से परे हो जाना. टू अवॉइड डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन बाय लिविंग सर. यस. कट द कॉर्ड, अपने संबंध खत्म कर देना. टू स्टॉप नीडिंग समवन एल्स, to look after you and start acting at your own also. Cupboard love, just like loving someone, get something from person. थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट होता है इसके अंदर, वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट इज टू बी देयर आल्सो अराउंड द कॉर्नर, एनी को थिंग आपके सामने पास आ रही है, एन इवेंट और थिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन अ सून वे आल्सो, विद हैवी हार्ट, दिल में गम हो, दुख हो, तकलीफ हो, पेन एंड रिग्रेट आल्सो, कॉस्ट बम, बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज के ऊपर खर्चा करना पड़ जाए, टू बी क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव, वेरी, रोल अप योर स्लीव्स मीन गेट रेडी, टू प्रिपेयर फॉर हार्ड वर्क. Spelling mistakes, also a very new aspect is also. Mountains ने बना दिया उसने adjective mountainous, mountain के बाद OUS, mountainous, D. Then etiquette, some manners, double T पढ़ देगा, ETTEA. Then curriculum, curriculum, D. ULUM, curriculum. Then magnificent, D, no, sorry, alpha, A, magnificent, NIFICENT. Facilitation, facilitation to cooperate to make available things, B आ जाएगा, facilitation. Facility से this word comes from facility. 12th F आएगा, 12 FTH, B. 99 snobbery, habit of pinpointing someone, या अपने आप को सुपीरियर समझना, एन एटीट्यूड ऑफ सुपीरियरिटी, रिकॉग्नाइज बाय योरसेल्फ, ए आएगा, डबल बी ई आर वाई, नॉट डबल आर वाई. न्यूरोसिस, सी, NEUROSIS, बी केयरफुल व्हाइल टैकलिंग सच सेंटेंसेस. डिप्थीरिया टाइप ऑफ डिजीज, सी आ गया. देन मीगर इन शॉर्टेज, ए, मीगर. Comprehension is there, few passages to be given. Simply give you the answer after going through the passage. You can do also 101A, 102B, 103C, 104B, 105D. Second passage about living and all living things, 106A, 107D, 108 delta, 109 delta, 110 C. These are, yes, the most important last part is spotting the errors. Number 11, जहां कभी वन ऑफ द लग जाए तो दूसरे का वर्ड हमेशा प्लूरल के अंदर आएगा. He has been one of the most revered members. B के अंदर मिस्टेक है, and S is that also. Rahul asked me whether I was interested to join, not joining, to join. C आ गया आपका. Where there is a will, delete then. There is a will. It's a phrase, an epithet. कहावत है, then की कोई जरूरत नहीं, there is a will. Indian feminism grew out of the women's movement of the late 19th century, reached फुल की कोई जरूरत नहीं, मैच्योरिटी, रीच मैच्योरिटी इन अर्ली 20th सेंचुरी. सी कर दीजिए, या अगर ज्यादा ही करना है, रीच इट्स फुल मैच्योरिटी, बेटर है आप इसको कर दीजिए सी. एनी हाउ द आंसर इज सी. ग्रेटेस्ट मेरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज बी, वेयर एवरीवन फील्स, दैट की जगह वेयर कर दीजिए, जहां, एंड परस्यू हिज और हर इंटरेस्ट. ऑल स्टेक होल्डर, आस्पेक्ट आएगा, आस्पेक्ट्स नहीं होता कभी भी, एवरी है, एवरी आस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट्स implementation. Learning many languages promotes linguistic, cultural and social harmony, not harmonies. B आ गया आपका आंसर. One should act according to one's own whims and fancies in public places. Whims इच्छा, फैंसीज जो आप सोचते हैं किसी चीज के बारे में, ऑन की जगह इन prepositional mistake. Economists believe that India has taken a new turn in 1990 with liberalization to its economy, not her economy, its economy. Irrigation work. हैव अ स्पेशल इम्पोर्टेंस। तो कंट्रीज लिखा उसने, इसलिए इधर डिलीट एन, अगर एन डालना ही है देन कम्स इंस्टेड ऑफ कंट्रीज इट शुड बी कंट्री। I can read the sentence in both way. Irrigation works have a special importance in an agricultural country like India. Or irrigation works have a special importance in agricultural countries. उसमें एंड डिलीट हो जाएगा, अगर एन लगाना तो कंट्री। एनी हाउ द मिस्टेक इज इन पार्ट बी आल्सो। दिस इज द होल scene of this vessel. Anyhow, if any further query is to be there, we are ready to be here to make the things at a level. So I hope everything will be clear. Now you are at a comfortable level. Thank you very much.